Here is a video tutorial that shows you what to do first, before you go to mechanic in case your Honda Civic 2005 to 2011 air conditioning doesn't work. Open the bonnet. Remove the cover from the fuse box from the engine compartment. First, check the 7.5 ampere fuse that is on position 7 where it has a snowflake symbol. If the fuse is not blown, you will have to check the relay from the air conditioning compressor that is a little above the fuse, also has a snowflake symbol. You can find a relay like this below in the video description. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. Thank you for watching.